In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to model win-loss streaks in Excel. This is a simple and useful way to track consecutive wins or losses in a dataset. And once the formula is set up, Excel will do the counting for you automatically. If you work with sports results, trading outcomes, game performance, or any sequence of repeated results, this can save a lot of time and make your data much easier to analyze. Start by opening Excel and going to the worksheet where you want to build your streak model. You can use a new blank sheet or an existing table as long as your results are already organized clearly. Next, enter your data. For this to work smoothly, make sure your win and loss results are listed in one column in sequence, row by row. For example, you might have values like win, loss, loss, and so on. The order matters because Excel will compare each result to the one directly above it to determine whether the streak continues or resets. Once your data is in place, create a new column called Streak. This column will display the running count of how many times the same result has appeared in a row. It helps to place this column right next to your results column so the formula is easier to read and copy. Now click into the first streak cell, which in this example is C2, and type equals 1. This sets the starting point for the first result in your list. Since there's nothing above the first row to compare it to, the streak has to begin at 1. Then move to the next streak cell, C3, and type this formula, equals IF, open parenthesis, B3 equals B2, comma C2 plus 1, comma 1, close parenthesis. This formula checks whether the current result matches the previous one. If it does, Excel adds 1 to the previous streak count. If it doesn't, the streak resets back to 1. Press Enter to apply the formula. At this point, you should see the second streak value calculate automatically based on whether the result in row 3 matches the result in row 2. Finally, drag the fill handle down to copy the formula to the remaining rows. The fill handle is the small square in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. As you drag it down, Excel will repeat the formula for each row and adjust the references automatically. That gives you a full streak calculation for your entire dataset. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.